Alright, now we're on the calculator, so we need to convert some fractions to some different numbers to decimal numbers here. So we had a barrel length that was 32,750. We have to subtract that 6 and 27/32. So first off, we need to know what 27/32 is. So we're going to take 27, divide it by 32. That's 843. We'll call it 0.844. That also happens to be the number of our openings, so let's go ahead and put it into the ID cell, 0.844. And then we're going to add, okay, we need the barrel length, which was, or the overall length of everything, which was 32.75, and we're going to subtract that 6.844. That gives us a barrel length of 25.906. So we'll put that barrel length in there. 29. Wait a minute, I don't think that was right. 25.906. So that gives us a new length for the ninth harmonic. That's this guy right here, whichever harmonic we want. There's the ninth. It's telling us that we need a total length of 28.891 inches. Well, we're kind of off on that number. We'd have to add almost 3 inches to hit that ninth harmonic. But rather than do that, let's change the harmonic. We'll go to 7. That's 4 inches. Go to 5. That's 6 inches. Now we're at 32.129. That's getting pretty close to our 32.750. Let's change it to the third. Now we have to get to 38 inches. So let's go back to the 7. Now we would have to be at right under 30 inches. So our closest harmonic was a 5 in this case. So our physical length, that's this guy right here, is 32 1/8 inches. So we would set up our cleaning rod with the tape exactly that distance, 32 1/8 from the end, stick it back in the barrel and change the length of the attachments until we hit that number. So in this case we would have to lose about 5/8 of an inch. Our tuner assembly is too long by 5/8 of an inch. Now we'll go back and we'll measure this more precisely. This was done with a tape measure and the old eyeballs, which are not too well focused. But we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to measure it a little more precisely with something other than a tape measure.